Today I am going to discuss about the combination of errors. And in the previous video, already I have discussed here the types of the error and also how can you find the different types of the error like this percentage error, mean absolute error, fraction error, all these types of the error. But how can we find the error in any combined error in any mathematical operation? Mathematical operation means suppose if addition is there, subtraction is there, multiplication is there, power is there, then how can we find the error? So rules for calculating the combined error with different mathematical operation. Different mathematical operation जैसे हमने यहाँ क्या लिया sum and differences. जैसे अगर ये दिया गया है कि कोई क्वांटिटी z which is equal to sum of x and y और z is equal to x plus y. यहाँ दो क्वांटिटियों का सम है तो इन क्वांटिटियों को जो सम किया जाएगा तो जेड मिलेगा तो इस जेड में मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल एरर क्या होगा तो सपोज डेल्टा जेड इज द पॉसिबल एरर इन जेड आई एम टेकिंग हियर डेल्टा एक्स इज द एरर इन एक्स दिस इज व्हाई वी आल्सो कॉल्ड द लिमिटिंग एरर इन एक्स y delta y I am taking the error in measurement of y. So maximum possible error in Z. Remember this, the maximum possible error in Z. So the maximum possible error in Z. हम ये निकाल रहे हैं कि अगर कोई क्वांटिटी Z x plus y के बराबर है तो इनके सम करने के बाद इस Z में मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल एरर कितने की होगी तो मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल एरर इन Z which is denoted by delta Z is equal to maximum possible error in x which is delta x and maximum possible error in y which is delta y. For example, all of you know if the two resistors R1 and R2 are joined in series then their equivalent resistance R is equal to R1 plus R2. So how can we find or how can we apply this concept of the error in this case? So now I am taking one example. Two resistors R1 100 plus minus 3 ohm and second R2 is equal to 200 plus minus 4 ohm. Both are joined in series and our aim is to find what is the equivalent resistance with the proper error. So now in this case here you see this one is the measured value 100 plus minus 3 means in this measurement 100 this is the error in this इतने की error है इसके measurement पे similarly ये R2 200 plus minus 4 मतलब इतने की error ये बता रहा है जो plus minus के साथ दिया रहता है वो उसकी limiting error बताती है कि ये measurement में इतने का error है इस measurement के लिए इतने का error है तो इनका measured value है 100 और ये है एरर इन दिस मेजरमेंट इसकी मेजर वैल्यू है 200 और ये उसका हो गया एरर तो अगर हम ये देखें कि जब इनको जोड़ा जाएगा R is equal to R1 plus R2 तो when you will take maximum error in R equivalent you can say delta R is equal to delta R1 plus delta R2 this is the maximum error in these resistors R1 and R2. Here delta R1 is how much here? 3. Its magnitude 3. Here 4. So this becomes how much here? 7. And when you will take the sum of 100 plus 200, so 100 plus 200 becomes 300. So finally R equivalent you will write 100 plus 200 means 300. And what is the maximum possible error in this case? 7. So that maximum possible error is written with the plus minus चाहे plus इतना हो सकता है या minus. So you will write plus minus 7. This is the R equivalent. It means in the case of sum, अगर जब हम कोई चीज को जोड़ेंगे तो हमेशा जो है ये इंडिविजुअल जो भी उसके एरर है वो हमेशा आपस में जुड़ जाएंगे और वो रिजल्ट हमेशा हमको इस तरह से दिखा जाएगा या इस तरह से देंगे now we consider for the difference earlier we have taken z is equal to x plus y and now I am going to take here z is equal to x minus y And in this case, the maximum possible error, तो जब भी एरर है वो हमेशा मैक्सिमम जब कैलकुलेट किया है तो हमेशा ऐड ही किया जाएगा, एरर सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं किया। तो एरर, मैक्सिमम एरर इन जेड डेल्टा जेड which is equal to maximum limiting error in x which is delta x plus maximum limiting error in y which is delta y. It means either addition or subtraction. The maximum possible error is always equal to the sum of individual limiting errors. Now, the next mathematical operation in which I am going to use the concept of the error is product and quotient. Quotient or division, you can say. Means multiplication and division. Suppose z is given x into y. And already I have discussed in the previous video how can we find the error in the case of multiplication. तो क्या करते थे? Z measured quantity x which is equal to x into y. So we can write delta z. Error in measurement of z is delta z upon measured value. This is equal to measured value possible error in x, delta x upon measured value x. If product is there, then always we write plus. When you will calculate the error, then always for product you will write plus. ये बताएगा delta z upon z, possible error in z upon measured value z is equal to possible error in x upon measured value x plus for multiplication plus delta y upon y. Error in y, delta y, measured value y. And now the maximum value always will, this is called fractional error. Actually, this one is called error, fractional error. And the maximum possible error in z, the maximum we can write here delta z upon z max, which is equal to, we can write here delta x upon x plus delta y upon y. So maximum possible error in z which is equal to delta z upon z max is equal to delta x upon x plus delta y upon y. This one is called maximum fractional error in z, maximum fractional error in x, fractional error in y. And you know how can you find the percentage error? So you know, for finding the percentage error you can say delta z upon z max into 100. अब ये पूरा क्वांटिटी बता देगा परसेंटेज एरर इन z is equal to delta x upon x into 100 plus delta y upon y into 100. This will give percentage error in x और ये पूरा बताएगा परसेंटेज एरर इन y. याद रखिएगा ये बताएगा फ्रैक्शनल एरर, और फ्रैक्शनल एरर में जब 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे दोनों तरफ तो यही क्या बता देगा, परसेंटेज एरर. And same concept we will use for division also. In the case of division, here I am giving you only trick. हम आपको केवल इसका ट्रिक बता रहे हैं. I am not solving this one because after solving what result you will get here, that I am telling you. In division, suppose z is equal to x upon y. In division is given. So first you see in denominator y is there. When you will shift the denominator in numerator, you can write x y to the power minus 1. And now you can say here x into y to the power minus 1. And again apply delta z, error in measurement of z upon measured value z is equal to x. We can write error in measurement of a delta x upon x plus, क्योंकि यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो प्लस जो पावर होगा उसको हमेशा मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ले आना हमेशा, और ये लिखेंगे डेल्टा y. So here you will get delta z upon z, delta x upon x minus delta y upon y. But maximum मैक्सिमम एरर इन जेड, इसमें हमको मैक्सिमम एरर निकालना है और ये वैल्यू मैक्सिमम कब मिलेगी जब माइनस को भी हम क्या रखेंगे प्लस। तो वी विल राइट हियर डेल्टा जेड अपॉन जेड मैक्स इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा एक्स अपॉन एक्स प्लस डेल्टा वन। जब भी मैक्सिमम एरर निकालना हो तो जो भी क्वांटिटी माइनस के साथ है उसको भी किसके साथ ले लेंगे प्लस के साथ। So the maximum possible error in Z is given by this one, and also you know for finding the percentage error ये पूरा टर्म क्या कहलाएगा fractional error in measurement of Z, fractional error in measurement of X, fractional error in measurement of Y, और जब इसमें दोनों तरफ 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा percentage error. So in this way we can calculate the error in the case of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and next case is here if suppose any number is given in power, and next case here power of measured quantity. Suppose here given z is equal to x to the power m, और पहले हमने बताया था पावर हमेशा कहाँ चलाता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. So you can write here error in z delta z upon measured value z. This whole one is called fractional error in z is equal to जो पावर में टर्म रहता है वो हमेशा मल्टीप्लिकेशन प्लस, तो ये m नीचे आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे लिखेंगे error in x delta x upon x. So in the case of power of measured quantity, always you can write like this one here, and delta z upon z suppose max into 100. So also you can write here when you multiply by the 100 on both sides, or simply you can say there is only one term, so delta z upon z into 100 means percentage error in this one is equal to m delta x upon x into 100. याद रखिएगा ये फ्रैक्शनल एरर बताएगा पूरा, और इसमें जब 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो वही पूरा परसेंटेज एरर बता देता है. सिमिलरली ये फ्रैक्शनल एरर बताएगा और 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये पूरा परसेंटेज एरर बताएगा. So dear student, today you go through this one here, how can we apply the concept of the error for different of mathematical operation, and also you go through the example of your book here. Thank you.